Uh, I've already given you example. Even then, I want to repeat because unfortunately our line was cut. Therefore, uh, one line segment is this one, and another is this one. Another is this one, and these two mm, line segments are given name. Let's say this is okay, P, and this is Q, and this R. Then two line segments, two line segments, two line segments, two line segments, two line segments. That means PQ, PQ, and PR, PR. These two line segments, PQ and PR, have certain certain slope, certain slope. Then this slope, this slope is angle. This slope is angle, and angle is measured in degree unit. Degree. This angle is measured in uh, degree unit. Degree unit. Degree unit. That means if uh, we measure the angle by using protractor, protractor of our geometrical box. Protractor measures angle, and uh, from here up to here, how much value does the protractor show? That is the angle between these two line segment PQ and line segment PR. Then now there are many types of angles. There are many types of angles. Now let's move to the types of angles. Types of angles. Types of angles. I will draw some angles. Uh, okay. If one line is sorry, one line is this, and another line is this. Then uh, okay, wait a bit later. Okay. Okay, class. Types of angles. If the value of this angle is just below 90 degree, that means between between 0 degree to 90, 0 between 0 degree to 90. Okay, 90 degree. Then this angle, this angle lies between 0 and 90. Then this type of angle is one example. Okay, try to remember the name of the angle, this type of angle. Okay, not 90 degree. Okay, below 90 degree, not 90 degree, below 90 degree. And another example of angle, one straight line, another straight line, these two straight lines equal to 90 degree, equal to 90 degree, 90 degree. Uh, okay, then if the value of this angle is 90 degree, in drawing it is more than 90 degree. Okay, in drawing it is more than 90 degree. I have to correct this. I will correct this. It show it looks more than 90 degree. I will correct this. Then just sorry, what happened? More than 90 degree. Sorry, exactly 90 degree. Again, it is writing big letter. Again, oh, okay. Even then, only look the value. Okay, this is big thick line and another is thin line. Even then, try to understand. If the value is equal to 90 degree, value of angle from here up to here by measuring in protractor, the value is equal to 90 degree. Then this is one another example of types of angle. And another example of uh, angle, one line is one line segment is in this way, and another line segment is in this way, this is third example. And the value of the angle is from here starting up to here, uh, by measuring with the help of protractor. If the value of this angle is more than 90 degree, more than 90 degree up to 180, 180, between 90 degree to 100, between 90 to 180. Okay, in this also not 80, 180, not 80, below 180. Okay, from starting is 90 degree, and 90 degree is also not more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. This type of angle is another example. Okay, I need another page, therefore I have to clarify it. The angle which is I have to put here name also, B, B, uh, C, D, E, and F. And here I will give G, H, and here I want to label I. All letters should be capital. Okay, don't write small letters in point name, line name. And look here, this angle BAC. BAC. Always put this crossing point in between. Don't read ABC. Okay, don't read. It must read from end to end. It must be read from end to end. Always read from B A C. Angle B A C or angle C A B. Then if the value of angle lies between 0 degree to 90 degree, the spelling of 90 degree is wrong here. Here is more. Okay, you understand this? Between 0 and 90 degree, not 90 degree. Okay, below 90 degree, below 90 degree and more than 0 degree, more than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Then that type of angle is acute acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. And the angle which has the exactly 90 degree value. 90 degree. Here in first example, more than 0, less than 90. This is acute angle. Acute angle. And in second example, more than, sorry, equal to exactly 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree. Then this type of angle is right angle. Right angle. This is right angle. And another, this is right angle, and this is acute angle, and this second number is right angle. And another, if the value of angle is more than 90 degree, look here, more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, then this type of angle is called, this is third type of the angle, this is called obtuse. Obtuse angle. In this way, these three types of angles are finished today. The time wrong at 11:07. Therefore, I have to move to next class, and another types of angles are remaining. We'll discuss in the new class, in another class. Okay. For tomorrow homework. Okay, all of you take one screenshot of this page. Take screenshot of this page. To whom is it possible? Who are understanding? Who are watching through laptops, desktop? If you have already noted this, it is better. Otherwise, homework is oral test of today's lesson. You have to give answer orally. In next class, I ask to you questions and you have to give answers orally. Okay, not in written form. Okay.
Sir, that this video is record, yes, and then send this video in that Minders anti-group 6.
Okay. At first,
Yes.
I'll upload it to YouTube. Then link will be shared in school group. Okay, our class group. Okay. Okay. Homework is oral of today's class. Okay. Now I want to close. I want to end my class today. Okay. Thank you, class. Take care. Bye bye.